Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest news updates. The Iraqi Minister of Finance, Taif Sami, discussed development priorities and supporting the government program on Wednesday with a delegation from the World Bank. The Iraqi Ministry of Finance mentioned in a statement that Sami met with the World Bank Vice President for Middle East and North Africa, Ferid Belhaj, the World Bank Country Director for the Middle East Department, Jean-Christophe Carret, and other officials from the World Bank. The meeting addressed development projects and the World Bank's support to enhance the financial and business sectors and improve the investment environment. Both sides emphasized the need to continue bilateral coordination to promote sustainable development and talked about the bank's support for the government's program to accelerate economic reform in Iraq. Sami reviewed the ministry's efforts and plans to accelerate financial and banking reforms in line with the vision of the Iraqi government, which aims to strengthen its role by creating economic balance and correcting the course of financial policy in Iraq. Belhaj expressed the World Bank's readiness to provide the necessary support to carry out development projects and fundamental reforms adopted by the Iraqi government to improve the Iraqi economy. And the Central Bank of Iraq has disclosed that fines levied on banks and non-banking institutions, including exchange companies, totaled approximately 80 billion Iraqi dinars during the past 7 months. An official bank report indicated that fines imposed on banks and financial entities from January to the end of July 2023 amounted to 79,777,817,397 dinars. The report further revealed that these fines encompassed 318 administrative penalties directed at banks and institutions mentioned. Non-banking entities received a range of penalties, including warnings and temporary suspensions. The report noted that April witnessed the highest fines imposed, reaching 17,440,383,447 dinars and 17 administrative penalties. Conversely, June recorded the lowest fines, totaling 8,353,387,476 dinars, with 50 administrative penalties. The report does not mention the bank names with the fines and administrative penalties. In June, the Iraq Stock Exchange Investors Association criticized the Central Bank of Iraq for increasing fines on banks, highlighting concerns about the potential impact on investors' profitability. And the Iraq Stock Exchange announced on Thursday that trading indicators rose after transactions in the third week of August were completed. The Iraq Stock Exchange mentioned in a statement that it organized 5 trading sessions during the third week of the current month, from Sunday, August 20th, to Thursday, August 24th, according to the Iraqi news agency INA. The statement clarified that the number of traded shares exceeded 11 billion, with a value surpassing 8 billion. Iraqi dinars, approximately $6.11 million. The statement elaborated that the trading index for the first session of the week closed at 829.96 points, and at the end of the week it closed at 845.60 points, representing an increase of 1.85% compared to the first session. More than 5,429 sale and purchase contracts were concluded on shares of companies listed on the Iraq Stock Exchange in the same period. And the Iraqi Ministry of Oil announced on Thursday that an agreement has been reached to import gas from Turkmenistan to supply power plants in Iraq with the required fuel. It has been agreed on to import quantities of gas from Turkmenistan to meet part of the needs of power plants, Undersecretary for Gas Affairs, Izzat Saber, said. Thanks, take care.